Wow! Red color! Red is bold and exciting. It is the color of love and energy. Beautiful red color! Long-necked dinosaur! Wow, a long-necked dinosaur! This dinosaur was Wow, green color! Green is the color of nature. It looks fresh and lovely. Amazing green color. Whoa, Godzilla! Wow, blue color. Blue is bright and beautiful. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. Amazing blue color. Whoa, look who's here. It's a cute panda. Wow, orange color. Bright, beautiful, and exciting. Awesome! A dinosaur! Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Some dinosaurs were very big. Look at this cool dinosaur! Whoa! Yellow color! Yellow is bright like the sun. It looks happy and cheerful. Amazing yellow color! Awesome! It's a kangaroo! Kangaroos can jump very high. They live in Australia. What a cute kangaroo! Wow! Pink color! Pink is sweet and pretty. Pink looks bright and fun. Beautiful pink color! Wow! It's a cute dog! Dogs are friendly, loyal, and love to play. White color! White is clean and bright. It looks peaceful and beautiful. Wonderful white color. Wow! It's a beautiful bird! Birds have colorful feathers and love to fly high in the sky.